Good morning. Welcome back to Working with Watson here today. I'm going to show you real quick how to reset your Google Slides here. And once you reset your Google Slides, your mission today is to go back and turn it or fill it back in and turn it in then. Once it's turned in, then I can give it a quick check over this weekend, make sure everything's looking good for next week. We're going to be reviewing in class today. We'll do some Quizlet Live, so make sure to jump on Quizlet also. That was all on the assignment from yesterday, or the study materials. So go to Quizlet, practice that, do the gravity drop, and the matching. Make sure you know those 9 vocab words very well for next week, because they will definitely 100% sure those vocab words will be on the test. Okay. So we'll study today. We're going to study Monday, and then after Monday on Tuesday is the plan. We will take the test. So just keep that in mind. Monday I will post another video, hopefully to help you review. What I might do is just pull up a slideshow like this, ask some questions, and then we'll go through those answers kind of in a video in that way. So just make sure to study today. Again, go on Quizlet, do several rounds that you know those 9 questions well. After that, reset your Google Slides here and send me turn it in, and I'll go through it. So to reset, so yesterday your job was to fill out the whole study guide. To reset that, so up here where it says last edit was yesterday for me at 1:49. Once you do that, you're going to click on that button, and gets pretty easy. So this is all the hit versions of your slideshow that you've created. I probably have a lot more because I used this slideshow in every single class yesterday and went through and redid and reset it each time. So that's why I have so many. What you will probably have is probably 2 or 3 of these over here. If you look at the time frame, so like today is January 29th, but this one says at 1:49 yesterday, I made a change. At 1:47 I made a change. At 11:14 I made a change. 11:12 I made a change. So that's why you want to go back all the way to the very beginning date you have. So mine was yesterday at 8:36 a.m. So I'm going to click, once I click on that one, you can see it goes bold down here. Once it goes bold, you can also kind of see over here what changes are being made, what happened, if you want to. And then we're going to hit restore, and then hit restore again. That bumps your slideshow, if you see it changed, to the very original thing that it was. It should be what I sent out originally, all the pages blank for you to redo. On the study guide, I will tell you, again, these vocab words you will need to know. These 9 vocab words, well, these 7 plus the 9 on Google, not on Google, sorry, Quizlet will be on the test. For sure, 100% will be there. We will be labeling an atom on the test. There will be a periodic table with questions to answer on the test. So it's pretty much going to look very similar to this. There will be questions like this with how many. This should say molecule, not element. I do realize my mistake there after I got it done. And then this one, we will not be able to build molecules on the test, but I will ask you very similar to this, how many atoms of carbon are in certain things, and oxygen. And then there will also be several questions about the chemical and physical changes like this, and they'll say, is this a chemical change or physical change? Or, label or select all the things that are chemical changes. So those things will be on the test. If you have any questions, make sure to let me know. So again, your quick rundown today: study Quizlet vocab words, do several rounds, come back in, reset your entire slideshow here, this one, and once you then redo it, and then turn it into me to check for the weekend. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, peace out.